And now it's time to install the most important element on our website. And this one is going to be our page builder plugin. And it's called Breezy, as you can see on the screen. And this is by far one of the best page builders in WordPress to build websites. And yes, it's even much better than Elementor. That's how it looks like when you start using your page builder. And as you can see, guys, you have light mode, you have dark mode. You can select from pre-made sections. Very beautiful designs in here, sleek and modern, so you don't have to think about design a lot. With very modern UI, as you can see, or user interface. And you can also apply creative styles. You can unify your style along your website, applying global features. And also it's very flexible. As you can see, you can adjust your elements right in front end. And also they are offering free and pro version. And in this course, I'm going to show you guys how to build your website either using the free version or the pro version. However, if you'd like to see a quick comparison between both versions, we can go to that link in here. So as you can see, there are many common features in the free and pro versions when it comes to the builder itself, except for building headers and footers, for instance. And also when it comes to design, there are some limitations as well. So for example, in the pro version, you have access to more cool designs and even an entire web page that you can insert in your web pages and start customizing them according to your needs. Then scrolling down, I'm not going to be covering everything in here because there are so many differences between the free and pro version. However, there are also differences in dynamic. There are more limitations in here. And also when it comes to marketing, you can easily check them in detail on their website. However, since the free version is already amazing, but I do really recommend the pro version for you guys. Especially it's not expensive at all. So let's go quickly and check their prices as well. Here in that link, they have their pricing. So here, as you can see, you can get a personal license for only $50 a year or $49. And this will be including 3 websites. And you will get also more than 250 premium designs, along with 1 year of updates and support. And also you get a complimentary access to their Breezy Cloud. And also here's an exclusive discount for you guys that I was offered exclusively from their co-founder, Dimitri, who's a very cool guy, by the way. And that discount is 15% off from my link, which you'll find in your resources and maybe attached to that video as well. So here, for instance, if you click that link and you're going to buy maybe the studio license, which is $99 per year, and you can use that license for unlimited websites. Maybe if you'd like to be a web designer, then you start clicking buy now. Here you're going to get a nice discount. Instead of paying $99, you're gonna pay only $84 and save $15. And the same discount also applies on the personal license. So let's cancel that one and let's say you wanna buy this one. In that case, it's gonna be for only almost $41 and half, which is very cheap price, by the way, especially with what you get with that amazing Breezy Pro. And also they do have amazing offer as well, which is not going to last, by the way. Maybe you don't see that one when you're seeing that video on their website. And that one is a lifetime plan. It's for only $299 and it's one-time fee, and you get ultimate use for Breezy Pro, which is also amazing deal when you compare their prices to other pro versions of other page builders. And I'm not trying to sell you the pro version. You can start with a free version, and if you like that one, remember that you have a nice discount as well in there in your resources. And if you're considering to start with the pro version as well, that's a very nice idea. So anyway guys, let's see how we can install the free version on our website along with the pro version as well for people who are going to go with the pro version. Scrolling up, you can find always in here start for free. Clicking that one. You can download the free plugin from here, and also you can get to try their free cloud service as well from here. So anyway, let's start with the plugin for now. Download the free version. It's really recommended that you create an account in here. So you're going to be selecting whether you're going to be building a website for clients or for yourself. Then inserting your email, then clicking subscribe and download. And if you would like to download the plugin without creating an account, you can click in here as well. And now before we install the free version on our website, let's also see how we can install the pro version on our website. So let me go back one step. Once you purchase the pro version of Breezy, you need to log into your account. You'll find account in here. Login. And from dashboard you can download Breezy Pro. And here's an important tip for you guys. If you're going to install the Pro version, you also need to install the free version before that one, as the Pro version doesn't work without the free one. Then you can get your license from here. Then you need to copy that license key to activate your Pro version. Now once we downloaded our Breezy plugins, we need to go back to our WordPress website. Then we need to go to plugins, then selecting add new. And as I told you guys, plugins are like applications for your website. So here for example we have the featured plugins, and it's including the classic editor, which can change your Gutenberg look for creating pages and blog posts. And there are thousands and thousands of plugins out there. We're going to be discovering more about them through that course. However, one of these plugins is our Breezy Page Builder, which is not existing in here for some reason. So we had to download that one from their website, and now we need to upload that plugin to our website. So instead of searching in here for plugins, we're going to be uploading that plugin, clicking upload plugin, then choose file, then selecting Breezy free version first to install it on our website. From my computer, of course, selecting that file, clicking open, install now. Now it's being uploaded to our website. Now once we install any plugin in WordPress, we need to activate that one. So clicking activate plugin. You can see our installed plugin including Breezy, and you'll find also Breezy on your left side in here. And now let's go ahead and install Breezy Pro as well for people who are going to use Breezy Pro. Scrolling up, add new, upload plugin, choose file. Now we're going to select the Pro version, open, install now. Clicking activate. Now let's go to the final step for our Pro users, inserting our license, going to Breezy, license. Then you need to copy and paste your license in here from Breezy Pro account. Then activating that one. Now congratulations for you guys, we have installed our page builder on our website. Whether you are a free or a pro user, probably you're going to build an amazing website. However, once you build your amazing website, don't forget to rate these guys and give them maybe 5 stars.